Welcome to this Red Points tutorial on how to report an IP infringement on Walmart Marketplace. Walmart Marketplace gives third-party sellers access to millions of shoppers. Most listings are legitimate, but some sellers misuse brand names, copy product images, or sell counterfeits. For rights holders, this can lead to lost revenue, negative reviews, and loss of marketplace control. If this is something you are dealing with, here are the steps to report an IP infringement on Walmart. Step 1. Open the form. Go to Walmart's IP Services form and select the marketplace where the infringement appears. Step 2. Enter claim details. Provide the reporter and rights owner information, then choose the infringement type and reason. Step 3. Add evidence. Include the brand details, listing URL, seller information, and upload supporting documents or screenshots. Step 4. Review and submit. Confirm the declarations, add your digital signature, and submit the claim. For further details and to learn what evidence works best for Walmart IP claims, visit our blog linked below. Let us know in the comments if you found this useful. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.